get name at the end of the video, but that depends if I remember.
We're back with part 2, and now we have Starter Man here and Overman and this Super B.
Can you just enable any of these?
Yes.
It does. It's just you have to turn on the mirror. Like sometimes it's just buggy. Like
yeah, it's buggy. It's just kind of hard to get it.
My name is Marshall, and you've been chosen to test out your latest picture, a new type of gorilla. We've combined many things to create a stronger and better version of you.
He's got me dying in my video.
Staff will let you carefully check your most. Have a good time. Don't forget small scale behavior.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Everyone
Chill, bro.
Why you get so
Chill.
scared?
It's not that crazy.
I don't like caves.
Either way.
Yep.
Yes.
This is totally the way. That's the exit.
You need the button.
That's
That's
totally the
first.
way.
Or
I
how
don't
to
want to be carried this way.
Learn how
it's
to
this
figure
way,
it out.
Dad. It's this way.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's the first button.
Button
Button B.
1.
Is it supposed to be
wasn't
red
It wasn't
or
9.
green? Dead body bees.
What is that thing?
It's Dude Man.
That's the late dimension.
It's friendly Dude Man. Come on,
That's
follow
the
me.
new type of... No! Get the damn button, bro.
Cannibalism! Cannibalism!
You're gonna lag out your headset. Get the
Yeah,
button, get the
I think his
button.
headset looked like it was about to explode. Anyway, let's get out of here.
What? You're screaming.
Why did it make that sound?
Yeah, you are on some crack.
No, I'm not. You guys are.
Well, maybe the reason you're yelling so crazily is the fact that you are on
We
some.
made it!
Yay, SB.
We made it to number 2.
Yeah.
This is
Careful
the
here.
signal.
Alright, we can't get through, so we gotta go this way. Oh, wrench!
Give me that wrench. I want the wrench.
And then through the door.
Don't tell him what's about to happen. You know. Don't tell
Welcome
him.
to level 2.
Level 2.
Go up to the door.
Oh,
Go up to
look
the
at
door.
Okay, just keep looking directly at the door. Okay.
Look out the door. Yes.
Okay.
Go save him.
Go save him, bro.
Go save him. Go save him.
Go save him.
I think he's levitating.
Go save him.
I think we might have killed him.
Come on, man. Dead.
What do you think about the sounds now?
Alright, in this level, when you come.
Sound with his powers.
Magic trick. Magic.
He summoned
Alright,
Dead
in this level,
Man.
we need to find use the power.
I came here to get it. I missed it.
He's
That's
lost
not the
it.
boss, that's just the sound of the ambience. Well, in this map.
First time
I find that.
first time I played, we only got.
Oh my god!
Or I survived him the longest. I didn't even know how.
Nightmare fuel. He started attacking me, and my controller was down like this, so I started running and hit my leg.
But did you see him like turn around? Like, did you turn around and see him?
Like I looked behind me for a second, and I just saw him. I was just like,
It's literally Seek Chase, but like 2 times harder.
Oh, so you're wearing his cosmetic. You're wearing his cosmetic right now.
Okay, so there's
the guy
level
that
3.
chased you.
So click this.
There's 7 levels.
Yes.
do I have to listen to the gore again?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
It's not
I'm gonna
real.
turn it down, and then right as the door opens, I'm gonna turn it back up.
Well, maybe you shouldn't wait till the door opens. Maybe just don't turn it back up
It's
until
gonna be
you
right as
die.
the door just ready, and I'm gonna have one like this. I can't hear what you guys are saying. Then I'm gonna turn my volume up and start running instantly.
What we're seeing is tip. There's no swing play applying the glass door. It's the TV brings TV driven. No matter what you do, what happens, do not lock that door. After you fall, all is inside that door. If it escapes, just resume.
did like 30 attempts of level 3. I haven't beat it yet, so it's Saturn. It's Saturn
Yeah,
still.
you've been defeated by David yet again.
It is. Headset died, so now it's just us, and we're gonna go to Halloween now.
We've been sent here to free the souls of the dead people inside of the graves in that cemetery over there. There should be a shovel nearby the entrance. Just grab it and start digging.
We're playing
Oh, yeah, we have
FNAF.
to dig up. We have to dig up some graves.
You have to save.
Oh, and
FNAF
forgot to
robots.
mention, somebody's guarding the cemetery where you are right now, so hopefully he doesn't cause you any trouble. Just
Is he gonna-
ignore him and complete your task.
Alright, come on, we gotta dig them up.
I have to hold my head like this. You should leave.
I'm following you.
Dude, man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Come here, come here. Oh, for these out here, you can't respawn. You have to reopen
Not again.
it. Wait.
I know. I throw my clothes. I wasn't paying attention. How is there?
What? Nah, you probably will. 'Cause I think they updated. I recorded a video. Oh, kind of hear me.
Okay, we did Big Death. Oh my god, it's so laggy right now.
Yeah, because you're calling me and recording.
We've been sent here to free the souls of the dead people inside of the graves in that cemetery over there. There should
Okay, there we go. Oh my god, the lag. It is right there.
Yep, come on.
Can't even. Oh. Secret entrance. Why is he dead?
Halloween.
Why is it a little girl's voice?
I'm free! I'm finally free!
Was he free, guys?
He's free. He's finally free. Copper. Scary Mario.
Come on, there's only two left. We're the last one.
Oh, and I forgot to tell you this, but there's still one last grave you have to dig up. The big ass grave. He's been here for God knows how long. Rumors say that he isn't fully transformed into this area. How many of those are
Oh yeah, isn't there a
just dig him
boss?
up.
Isn't there a
Head back to the
boss?
cemetery's entrance.
Yeah.
Is there a
Wait a second. Did you
Yeah,
just
just
wake
follow
me up?
during the boss fight,
I was
okay?
having the best sleep of my whole life.
Okay?
You know what?
Okay.
You made me mad. I'm gonna kill you!
Come here. Stay here for now.
Bro, what?
Opening those are falling movers. Just think about it. Go back to the cemetery sections.
Yes, I got him.
Alright, come on, let's go.
What time is it? Wait a second. Did you just wake me up? I was having the best sleep of my whole life. You know what? You made me mad. I'm gonna kill you!
Real.
Me.
Yeah, I'm literally gonna stick to you.
I just follow me. Follow my back.
I'm just gonna follow you. Bro. Bro.
Bro, that's fine.
I did. There's an invisible wall.
No, you didn't. I thought it was about to get stuff hill.
Yeah, then I didn't know we went after that.
You have to go on
Your shoulders are dislocated.
Yeah, I know. Yours are too. Anyway, my head's pretty low.
Yeah, so I guess that's gonna be all for this video, guys. I'll definitely try to beat this in my time and go on training arc. Yeah.
Yeah, good luck. The attacks are very hard.
Yes, I suck at this game. Help me.
Just wait, okay, when you see the red thing on the floor, that means it's gonna flood. You have to like climb the tree or something. Or you can just climb the wall.
Anyway,
Alright,
I'm gonna go on my training arc. I'm gonna put a couple videos out this video. Make some
go on
shorts
your
on
restore arc.
this. Bye, y'all, and hopefully we'll make another video of this soon if I can do good at the game again. Going on my training arc to do level 3.